Valvoline Global Operations has presence in more than 140 countries around the world. So it was important to find a global initiative that supports the communities that we serve. So as we looked at organizations, and in particular the Leukemia Lymphoma Society, we identified the Dare to Dream initiative, which is focused on finding innovative solutions to children's blood cancer. The work that they're doing today is critically important because, frankly, cancer does not discriminate.
So my husband was diagnosed with leukemia when he was in middle school.
My grandfather was diagnosed with leukemia a bit later in life.
My father was diagnosed with lymphoma when he was 16.
When my husband was diagnosed, the survival rate was 60% for children. And because of organizations like LLS, that survival rate now has increased to 90% or greater.
Partnerships with our funding agencies offers an opportunity for us to rethink how we study new therapies for children with leukemia. It's a transformative effort so that we can bring new drugs to kids faster.
The innovations that they're coming up with are going to be critically important, and we're just happy to be a part of, the work and the investment to find these innovative solutions for the future.